I want to speak to you guys a little bit about something called neuroplasticity, if you haven't heard of it. What is neuroplasticity? In short, neuroplasticity is the brain and nervous system's ability to adapt and change. It's essentially what allows us to make changes within ourselves. So when we make a shift in mindset, or a shift in perspective, or a change in habits, that is neuroplasticity at work. Neuro meaning brain, plasticity meaning plastic, meaning the brain is like plastic. It's malleable. It is not fixed. So understanding neuroplasticity, or the basics, as a base foundation is vital because it gives you confidence when going to make change, knowing that you can change and that your behaviors are not fixed. And it also helps you understand that you can learn pretty much anything. And that's why it's really important to know at the start as a foundation, so then anything I teach or talk about in the group, you know that it's not just going in one ear and out the other. You know that by constantly immersing yourself into it, it's going to shift your neural pathways and create natural changes in your behavior. So neuroplasticity, let's explain it with a simple analogy. Right, so this is a mountain, a snow mountain. If some of you ski or snowboard, this will be helpful for you. If not, hopefully you can still understand. So on a ski mountain, on a ski resort, you've got what they call groomed runs. These are the runs that they groom with machines, and they put barriers on the sides, and that's where most people will ski down because it's safe, it's controlled, and it's familiar. Just like when we operate out of our default or autopilot, that is a set of neural pathways. It's information being passed between the brain and nervous system through neural connections. Think about turning a light switch on in your house. A signal gets sent from the switch up through the wires to the light bulb to turn it on. Very similar as to when we have a thought to move our arm, a signal goes from the brain down through the nervous system to the arm to cause the arm to move. So that's what's happening. So on a snow mountain, you've got a groomed run. It's the familiar run. Now, if someone goes off that groomed run down this way, in snow terms they call that off-piste, they've created a new path. However, if they only go down once and then there's a little bit of snow, it's not going to form a new path. It's just going to look like how it was. But if multiple people go down multiple times, eventually it's going to ingrain a new path, a new track. Just like when we perform a new pattern or a new habit or a new thought process, if we do it once, the changes won't last. But if we do it multiple times through repetition and practice, eventually new neural connections and synaptic connections are formed. And that's how you make lasting change, through practice and repetition. Repetition is absolute key to understand as a base when learning new things. So that's basically neuroplasticity in a very, very small nutshell.